Hi guys! Well, it's been a minute, but Gaze was back with more adventures and content you're absolutely going to love. Well, who else but me? Well, this time we're keeping it short and sweet. I've decided to divide it into short episodes because let's face it, attention spans are a little questionable. So sit back and let's dive right in. And of course, do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when we release new episodes. We started the journey at 5 a.m. from Nairobi. We had a little morning drama. Some huge trucks nearly pushed us off the road, as you can see there. So if you're ever driving this road, please stay sharp and be on the lookout, because that was not the first or the last one. So you gotta be careful. By 6 a.m. we had already covered quite a distance, and as the darkness faded, the vast plains and rolling hills slowly came to life. There's just something magical about road trips at dawn. I mean, the stillness, the golden hues of the sunrise, and the world waking up right before your eyes. Look at that golden glow painting the sky. Absolutely breathtaking. I was looking forward to seeing this. It's just nice. You feel like you're leaving everything behind and you're stress free and you can breathe. So I'm gonna let you soak it all in for like a minute. And then next up, we passed some ancient giants, the iconic baobab trees, standing tall and wise. These trees have seen centuries of history unfold. So it's nice to be experiencing it. And check out this hill. So beautiful. It looks like something out of a painting. Fast forward to noon, we had the stunning Taita Taveta Hills right in front of us, a perfect backdrop for the journey. Welcome to Mombasa. The city's energy is just different, but we're not stopping. Time to make our way to Malindi. Cruising through the Malindi's scenic roads made it all worth it. So we headed to our home for the next few days and at least get to relax. And this is the entrance to our villa. There is security, there is everything that we will need for the whole time we're here. As you can see, there's just greenery, there's flowers everywhere, there are trees, and you can feel the breeze even as you get in. Like, it's a very, very beautiful. I liked how they've planted trees and all the landscaping. It's just wow. And this is home. From the grand entrance to this stunning villa, it's giving pure vacation vibes. And this is where we'll be calling home for the next few days. But before we dive into all the fun, we need some well-deserved rest. Like, we've traveled for 8 hours, the environment is different. We need some time to acclimatize and at least get used to this climate. So we'll do a full tour of this incredible villa on the next episode. So stay tuned. And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. More amazing content coming your way. Bye for now.